Hey guys, this is Dale. I'm back again with Dale's Daily Hacks. Today I'll be showing you how to set your timer, not your timer, but your clock on your new LG stove. This is one of the newer models. So in order to set your clock, you'll have to pretty much press the clock and then the plus or minus. But the issue I was running into was it'll let me change the minutes, but not the hour. But in order to change the hour, you'll have to just use the arrow to go up and down, and that's how, not the arrow, but the minus. And you will be able to pretty much change the hour. So I'll be showing you that now. So right now it's 9:08. So I'll be showing you that. You'll hold the clock, it'll beep. In order to get it to 9, you have to just keep pressing minus until you get it to the time. And that's the only way you'll be able to set the, set the clock. I'll put it at 9:09. And once you do that, you'll kind of hold the clock. Now it's set. So once again, in order to change the hour, it's not gonna, once you click clock, it's not going to just let you change the hour. You have to press the minus sign to get it down to, if it was 8, you have to keep pressing minus. If it was 10, you'll keep pressing plus until it get to that hour. And then it will let you change the minutes. So please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Dale Daily Hack. I value you guys' time. If you like this video, please subscribe. Have a great day.